CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela ubah Lahkmen Rymbui ulah Kyntait war halor kan jing keno bakadon ke jing tray torti ya ke Patharkhmah Model Degree College ke badan Rymbui District ya kini ke college lebih pisah lingba ke Rashtriya Uchattar Shiksha Abhiyan bat kini ke college kan dairu ke wei ki Model College bathamai hapo ke Jela Meghalaya balabu mau nongrim da Menteri Rangba adu kari India Narendra Modi hagalai teri gubernur Rempang Arajar Khat Kendai ubah Rymbui kajing ya keren bat kilat patai kubor uliat ho bagajing shna ya gani ke college hadu minta 4 la satya ban ong ba kani kajing Orpait kam don jing thot AA namar bagajing tre kadang ya Lahkmen
Patharkhmah Model Degree College is being constructed by the government funded by Rusa. The construction has not yet fully complete because one thing, what appear in the crack, it is not the crack, is the crack of the expansion joint where two separate building is there. And number two, regarding the allegation that the lift have not been installed in spite of their in the estimate, it is because the electricity till date have not been supplied. And regarding the road is not part of the project. In fact, 2 years back, we have tried to see that to avail the fund through PMGSY, but after that, the circular of the Ministry of Rural Development is that for the road below 5 km, it will not take on. They will not take on the PMGSY. So, 10 days back, Honorable Chief Minister has held a meeting together how to see that this college are function. Not only that, the College of Patharkhmah, Rangjeng, and also the Captain Williamson Sama Technical University, where the problem is connectivity because all they need the proper road. And so he assured that road in that meeting that we have to construct the road, and we will see where to find where to locate the fund so that the road could be constructed in those, not only Patharkhmah, Rangjeng, and that College of Urban Planning and Architecture, and also Captain Williamson Sama Technical University. Honorable Chief Minister has conceptualized the skills Meghalaya that will really help a lot to the student, to the youth, so that they will empower themselves to face the challenge of the world. Coming back to the result, if you say that just because the percentage is increases here, I'm happy. No, we want that 10% result still should pass. But there is something which is not in our hand. It is also in the hand of individual who appear the exam, in the hand of the student, the desire of the student to get the knowledge and enhance the knowledge which he have in him. We are working on it. The MECL, we are in coordination with MECL First Class Electricity, and also with the community for the construction of road. But I hope that we will able to get fund to construct the road and to get electricity. As you know, that Patharkhmah sanction of posts have already been, the government have already agreed, have already approved the creation of posts as for Patharkhmah, and even for Rangjeng also in a few weeks back the government sanction. But until unless we have a complete infrastructure, it may not possible for us to start. So we are working on that, and we hope to be able to complete as early as possible. We will do what is best, and as I said, that there is nothing what is alleged. The allegation is that the road have not constructed, so but road is not under the project. Allegation is that lift have not been installed. How will you install the lift? How will you test the lift unless electricity is there? So, and regarding that the crack which they mentioned is only the expansion joint which breaking because it's a connection of the two building. But we will ensure whatever corrective measure, if it is there to be done, we will do, because the bill have not been clear to the contractor concerned, and also the third party audit of the same have not been completed.